Python, right? So Python was introduced in the year 1989, but all of a sudden Python has got great reasons, reasons which makes reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. Python suddenly super popular. Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular, right? First thing is very less code. Very less code we are going to see in Python. Secondly, simple syntaxes given by Python looks like normal English statements. Very less coding, simple syntaxes. Interactive mode. We can easily interact with Python statement by statement. For every statement, it gives response. This kind of interaction we cannot see in other programming languages. Very less code, simple syntax, interactive mode, multi-programming features. Multi-programming, what all the features we see in different other programmings, all the features we go to see in Python. Okay. Very less code, simple syntaxes, interactive mode, multi-programming features, wide varieties of applications. Many built-in, many built-in modules, many built-in libraries, many built-in libraries, right? Yes. 89,300 inbuilt modules Python is providing for different environments. Whatever environment you are from, Python has got a module, right? And it's a general purpose programming. Any kind of applications we can have general purpose programming. Any kind of applications we can develop. General purpose programming. And it's a high level language. It's a high level language. It's a high level language. Interpreted language. Line by line execution, which makes debugging easy. Right. Supports all databases. Supports all databases. So these are the reasons which makes Python super popular, right? Yes. Reasons which make These are the reasons which makes Python super popular. Okay. Now, reasons which, okay, these are the reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. And in the yesterday session, that just I was briefing you about all those, right? So various different types of applications creations. Once check this, right? Yes. One second. Low level languages, they're not human understandable, they're not portable, they're machine dependent. But high level languages like Python, they're human understandable, they are portable, they are machine independent, they can run on all the hardware and all the operating system. Python has got procedural oriented programming features like C language, has got object oriented programming features like C++, Java, has got scripting features like shell script, has got a modular programming features like Modular 3, 89,300 inbuilt modules. So as part of our course, we are going to discuss, as part of our course, right, we are going to discuss, right, procedural oriented with Python, object oriented programming with Python, scripting and modular programming with Python. Modules. So here Python has got great move because of this modular programming, like thousands of modules it is providing, like different models for data science. We have got separate models for big data. We have got separate models for networking, for testing, for operating system, for Oracle, for every database, right? Oracle database, MySQL database, for SQL Server, for Excel files, for CSV files, JSON files, and PDF files. Yes. PDF files, XML, math, and statistics. And generating graphs. Any types of graphs we can generate by using Python. Any types of graphs we can be able to generate using Python real-time applications. Python real-time applications, right? Web applications, automation applications, using like technologies like data science, IoT, and DevOps, big data environment, right? Scientific applications, numerical analysis, for graphical user interface or for animation applications, for gaming or game development, for scheduling, for testing or for test cases, for software development, for business applications, for networking applications, for web scraping, for database applications, for embedded applications, the most famous embedded application like Raspberry Pi, for audio video applications, for CAD applications, for computer vision, for data analysis, for desktop applications. Right? In this way, wide varieties of applications we can develop today by using. And who are using Python today? Topmost applications built using Python. Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Uber, Instagram, right? NASA using Python, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, Dropbox, Netflix, the Netflix using Python for security automation, Maya, iRobot, BitTorrent for hardware testing purpose, right? Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular, right? Very less code, simple syntaxes, interactive mode, multi-programming features, wide varieties of applications, many built-in libraries, 89,300 inbuilt modules. Okay, fine. So Python is the #1 ranked programming language today with diversified number of applications, lot of jobs opportunities for Python, mostly used in different high-end technologies like data science for big data, like writing automation scripts using IoT, using DevOps in writing automation scripts in robotics, right? So most of the hand directly or indirectly, you are going to touch Python in the software field. So apart from this, if a web applications creations, we have got a framework like Django framework. There were- Yes. So this is the introduction to Python, right? So just where Python is used, the applications of Python, the applications using Python, and how Python was built, and what are the features Python has got, right? Yes. So yes. So actually, I was not feeling well today. So there were some messages given to the students already, right? Fine. So as some of them have joined, I thought of taking for some time, right? So we'll continue it in the next session, right? Yes. Fine. So for today, I'll stop here. We'll continue.
Okay, sir.